Hi class, and welcome to Module 10, which actually covers 2 weeks. It covers weeks 10 and 11 of health policy. So in this video, I'm going to be going over the materials that are provided to you in this module, as well as the assignments that are due. So let's begin. First, as you can see, are the learning objectives for this module. And then we have the assignments that are due for this week. So the first one is actually a discussion board assignment, which involves you watching or creating a movie critique on the documentary titled The Waiting Room. You will have from March 12th to the 24th to complete this discussion board assignment. Make sure to answer all the assigned questions for this assignment, and make sure you've posted it and responded to your peers' posts by March 24th. Remember, you are responding to 2 of your fellow classmates. You also have a quiz that's due. It is a true and false and multiple choice formatted quiz, but it does cover chapters 1 through 14. It is also due on March 24th, but you will have from March 12th through March 24th where the link will be available to you. Now you'll be responsible for reading chapter 13, and here is the video lecture on chapter 13 titled Public Health Preparedness Policy. And last but not least, in this content page, so we have the weekly checklist. Make sure you've completed everything assigned here by March 24th, since that will be when this course officially ends. All right, so now I'm going to go to the next content page. You will have the PowerPoint presentation that goes along with the assigned reading for this week. And then here's some information from the chapter and additional information as well, covering the topic of public health preparedness. So as you can see, I'm going to scroll back up. Sorry about that. First, here we have listed the definition of what public health preparedness is. And then I have 2 infographics. The first one is one that actually covers the different levels of public health preparedness, how they can be organized, how it can be organized as well as executed. So you're looking at it from a global level, national, which means by country level, state level, community level, and leading to the individual level. And then below that is actually another image that describes what disaster risk management entails and its importance in actually reducing disaster impact. And then last is another very brief kind of infograph that covers public health crisis preparedness and response. Now, the next content page actually covers the videos that are assigned for this week, and I have a whole bunch, so try to take the time to view them. So the first video here is titled Emergency Preparedness and Response in Public Health. And it really provides an overview of what emergency preparedness and response is all about. The video below that describes how emergency preparedness is a key role for public health professionals, and it uses the example of the H1N1 pandemic as an example. The following video is called From Disaster Response to Disaster Prevention, and this video highlights the importance of public health preparedness and disaster risk management. And then I have another short video that I've included here titled Lessons from Japan in Public Health Preparedness from 2012. and then another video titled, How Does the CDC's Office of Public Health Preparedness and Response Mobilize Response to Outbreaks? So it really highlights how the CDC responds to outbreaks. If I'm not mistaken, most of these videos are between 5 to 8 minutes. Some may be a little longer. The next two videos touch on the topic of Hurricane Maria and the aftermath of Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico. So the first video is titled, Puerto Rico's Poorest Residents Are Still Suffering. It's actually from November 17th, 2017. And below that is a video titled, Post-Storm Puerto Rico Still in Emergency Mode by 60 Minutes, and it was aired on November 5th. Now, also in this module, you have your discussion board forum for the discussion board assignment for this week. And remember, you have the cumulative quiz 4 that must be completed. All assignments must be completed by March 24th. I did want to take a moment just to say that I really enjoyed teaching you all and getting to know you over this term. And I hope to have the opportunity to teach you all again. Now, if you have any questions on anything regarding the material, as well as the assignments from this module, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. And best of luck, everyone. Take care. Bye.